Now we're going to look at a cross-section of a dicot stem. This is a ranunculus stem. You'll see here we've got the epidermis coming around the edge, and then here you have these little fibrovascular bundles. Inside each fibrovascular bundle, you're going to see the xylem and the phloem. There's a good one there. So there's a fibrovascular bundle. You got your xylem and your phloem and your vascular cambium. Now I'm going to see if I can put that on a little higher resolution for you. That was 40 times magnification. Now we're looking at 100 times magnification. Let's see. Well, it ran off my screen. There we go. Find it back. There you go. There's your fibrovascular bundle in a dicot stem. Also notice that the center of the stem, if we can get to it on this magnification, has been completely eroded away in the pith. So there is no center of the dicot stem. So these are much more like your woody stems with a hollow center.